Owning rental property in Salt Lake City and throughout the Wasatch Front can be an incredible wealth building opportunity. But many property owners underestimate the true costs that come with managing and maintaining an investment property. Beyond the mortgage payment, there are ongoing expenses that can significantly impact profitability. From maintenance and vacancies to insurance, taxes, tenant turnover, and professional management services. In this guide, we'll break down the real numbers every rental property owner should understand, so you can protect your investment, maximize returns, and make smarter financial decisions with confidence. Many first-time investors focus primarily on the purchase price and monthly mortgage. But successful rental ownership requires planning for a much bigger picture. Property taxes, insurance premiums, routine maintenance, emergency repairs, vacancy periods, and unexpected expenses can quickly add up. The most successful owners don't just budget for today's costs, they prepare for tomorrow's surprises. Every rental property owner should build a budget around 5 major expense categories. Property taxes and insurance create a predictable baseline. Maintenance and repairs protect long-term property value. Vacancies and tenant turnover can reduce annual cash flow faster than many owners expect. Some properties may also carry utility or HOA obligations. And for owners who value time and efficiency, professional property management can help streamline operations while protecting profitability. Understanding these expenses upfront creates a stronger foundation for long-term success. One of the most overlooked expenses in rental ownership is vacancy. Even when a property sits empty for a short period, mortgage payments, taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs continue. That's why strategic pricing, proactive marketing, and strong tenant retention efforts can make a significant difference in annual returns. Reducing vacancy often has a bigger financial impact than simply raising rent. Successful rental ownership isn't just about collecting rent, it's about managing risk. Professional systems for tenant screening, maintenance coordination, financial reporting, and legal compliance can help owners avoid costly mistakes while improving operational efficiency. At Tier 1 Real Estate, we understand that protecting your investment means balancing profitability, tenant satisfaction, and long-term property performance. Whether you own one rental home or a growing portfolio, understanding your true ownership costs is the key to stronger financial performance. Let Tier 1 Real Estate help you navigate expenses, reduce risk, and unlock the full potential of your investment. Contact our team today and discover how expert guidance can help you achieve greater confidence, greater efficiency, and greater returns.